You gonna peck my toes? Oh my God, you're so funny, Gibby. You're a funny girl. Oh, Gibby, you was funny. See, if y'all would come and let me catch you, I would let you out.